flew from Bangkok to Chiang Mai in the heart of northern Thailand.
Around 70 minutes. Thank you so much.
The first stop was to check in at our beautiful hotel, Away Chiang Mai Thapae Resort, a vegan retreat with a unique blend of wellness, ethical living, and tranquility. A perfect place to rejuvenate and cool off after exploring, because Thailand can be extremely hot. While I was there, the temperature reached around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. After dropping off our luggage and doing a quick photo shoot, we headed over to the meetup point at McDonald's and grabbed a light breakfast. This was a group tour with a lot of solo travelers with Pon Chiang Mai private tours, which I highly recommend. We were well looked after and it was the highlight of my Asia trip. The tour included a bamboo raft to the elephant sanctuary, a hike to the waterfall, and more. If you come to Chiang Mai and you're up for a full day of adventure, I can't recommend it enough.
Oh no. Nope. Maybe he's doing it on purpose.
This part was by far my favorite part of the day. Feeding, walking, and bathing these majestic creatures in the lush green mountains of the countryside of Chiang Mai. Some people have asked, why didn't you ride the elephants? While elephant riding seems fun and interesting and acceptable in the tourism world, it's also considered unethical due to their mistreatment. Once elephants are put into service ferrying tourists, they can develop permanent spinal damage, blisters, and foot problems. At the elephant sanctuary, we only observe the elephants in their natural habitat, where they are free to graze and socialize.
Không, cái này nó là một góc. Ôi, vào đó.
Tiene hambre.
Vamos.
Muy inteligente la cara.
What an amazing day. This was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We're all exhausted and headed back to our hotels and grabbing dinner on the way at one of the local restaurants. It was so cool that I was able to share my experiences with you. If you want to see where else I go, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you all later.